Hi, my name is Brian.
Hello, my name is James.
Hi, my name is Jahad.
Hello, my name is Sam.
Hi, my name is Joe, and together we developed Park Planner app.
The entire project was developed remotely. We utilized the API provided by the National Park Service for the use of polling information to be displayed through our app. Our daily stand-ups and paired programming help us develop quickly and efficiently. We also communicated through Slack to share ideas, share information, and provide visual updates to the entire team. We use Agile Scrum methodology to manage project workflow, GitHub for version control, and housing of our project Scrum board.
The idea for this project came from a general love for being outdoors, something that is compounded by today's current conditions. For our final project, our team created Park Planner, a trip planning application designed to provide users a place to research national parks and begin planning their own adventure. Our website provides information pertaining to all 422 national parks and monuments and allows users to designate parks that they would like to visit.
Our backend server allowed us to create an API database for storing user trip data, which was built out using C#, SQL, and Entity Framework, all utilized through Microsoft Visual Studio IDE software. Our front-end server allowed us to create a single-page application using JavaScript, ES6, HTML, and CSS within the Visual Code Studio IDE software.
Our goal was to provide an attractive, approachable design that is easy to navigate and intuitive for someone that isn't necessarily tech savvy. We kept the layout minimal with distinguishable buttons and concise navigation.
Together, we made this application to get people outdoors and enjoy the national parks as much as we do. We hope you all get out there and enjoy the great outdoors with us.
This project allowed us to develop an additional skill set beyond what was required by the course. At the start of this project, we decided as a team to develop the site as a single-page JavaScript application. This in itself was a great opportunity for us to learn something new, but it was also our greatest challenge. The backend data was generated using SQL and Entity Framework to render the database information to display the backend information to the front end. For this project, we manipulated a web-based API provided by the National Park Service to reference JSON data to then display the backend information on our front-end server. Again, this is a more challenging route, but provided a quicker response time for the user.
A user can visit the state selection bar where they can input the abbreviation of which state as well as how many options they are looking for. For a more detailed understanding of each park being displayed, you would click on the park of interest to display more information regarding your desired park. The information being brought in here is directly from the National Parks API.
And here, once they are ready to apply for their trip, they can click on the park name and title to quickly register their park. When the user has decided on a specific park, they are navigated to the favorites page. Here they are utilizing the backend to hold the user's park choice.
In our favorites page, after your park has been added, you can select the date of your trip in the field provided. From there, you can adjust the dates of your trip to go with your next vacation through our great national parks of America. Navigate to the top of the page to repeat the process in the search bar.
We focus our design to benefit the user experience in a browser or mobile environment. For example, the visual layout is simple and user-friendly, and the design is laconic. The overall aesthetics of the site were designed to appeal to all walks of life, at any level of technological experience looking to go on their next trip.
Additionally, the 2-week project deadline presented a challenge of its own. We learned and applied new technologies, but there were additional features that we would have loved to have implemented throughout the entire project. One example of a feature we would have liked to have added would have been the ability to bring in the Google Maps API to reflect trail information and provide distance measurements. This way, when the travelers are on the trail, they could have access to the NPS trail information without the reliance of cellular data. Another feature that would have been helpful would be searching for nearby lodging by accessing Airbnb's API.
This project allowed us to develop an additional skill set beyond what was required by the course. At the start of this project, we decided as a team to develop the site as a single-page JavaScript application. This in itself was a great opportunity for us to learn something new, but it was also our greatest challenge. The backend data was generated using SQL and Entity Framework to render the database information to display the backend information to the front end. For this project, we manipulated a web-based API provided by the National Park Service to reference JSON data to then display the backend information on our front-end server. Again, this is a more challenging route, but provided a quicker response time for the user. We hope that you enjoyed viewing our presentation. We would like to thank you for taking the time to learn about Park Planner, and we look forward to answering any questions. Thank you.